Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Lenovo Vantage account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, turn on your Lenovo computer and wait until Windows is fully loaded. Make sure your device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Click the Start menu on the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Lenovo Vantage in the search bar. Click Lenovo Vantage in the results to open the app. If you do not see it, open Microsoft Store and search for Lenovo Vantage. Install Lenovo Vantage and wait for the download to finish. Open Lenovo Vantage again from the Start menu after installation. When the app opens, allow any required permissions if a prompt appears. Look at the top right area of the Lenovo Vantage window for a profile or sign-in option. Click Sign In to begin the login process. Choose Lenovo ID if the app asks what type of account you want to use. In the email field, enter the email address you used for your Lenovo account. In the password field, type your Lenovo ID password carefully. Click the Sign In button to submit your details. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. Check your email inbox for the password reset link if you requested one. Return to Lenovo Vantage and sign in again using your new password. If two-step verification appears, enter the code sent to your phone or email. Click Verify to complete the security check. Wait a few seconds while Lenovo Vantage syncs your account information. Confirm you are signed in by checking for your name or account icon in the app. Go to the Device or Dashboard section to see personalized settings and recommendations. If sign-in fails, double-check that caps lock is off and your email is typed correctly. Try closing Lenovo Vantage and reopening it if the login screen freezes. Restart your computer if the app still does not respond. Update Lenovo Vantage from Microsoft Store to ensure you have the latest version. If the problem continues, visit Lenovo support and search for Lenovo Vantage sign-in help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.